Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In case you are new here, hi, my name is Doreen and welcome to today's video. So guys, in today's video I want to tag you along. It's a weekend and I'm with my friend. We are going to an amazing place, you guys, because she has been telling me about this place for the longest time, and I was like, why can't we go and check it out, you guys? This place is a place where they manufacture, like they use glasses to manufacture a lot of things, you guys. So guys, I can't wait to tag you along so that you can see. It's a production here in Kenya, and I hope you guys are going to enjoy. So guys, at our entrance we have this African tradition, which is Masai. They are at the entrance to entertain the guests, you guys. Can you imagine that? Anyway guys, so we entered to the production place, and here we managed to get one of our polite staff. So he's going to show us how he made this flower face, you guys. It's so magic, and is trying to explain everything, you guys, and stay tuned because we are going to do an amazing interview with him. He's going to take us through everything, how he's going to do. Actually, that's on a different video, it's not on this video. So guys, stay tuned, and we get to know what he does. So guys, for the explanation and everything, I'm going to do the interview, because here I can't even explain to you guys, because it was the first time I was seeing this, and I was super excited how he turned a glass bottle into a flower face, you guys. Okay, so I'm going to let you watch as well, enjoy how he's doing the thing. They have machines, they have everything, and you guys, they have the knowledge. Their knowledge is on another level. I've never seen this. I was, oh my god, like, I don't know how I can explain it, but stay tuned because the interview with him is on the way coming. Is going to take us through every step, each step, you guys. They are not only making flower vessels, they are making even wine glasses, you guys. And this place is just here in Kenya, and guess where? It's in Kitengela, you guys. It is in Kitengela. So guys, stay tuned for that interview, because you are going to learn a lot, and the process is so amazing, you guys. I was so happy to learn a lot, and excited that we can do these things here on our own, like locally. And you know, it's a good business opportunity, and it's one way of creating job employment for the youths, you guys, because imagine. So they have amazing, they have a store, actually, like a shop. They have a manufacturing place. This is the manufacturing place, and they have a store where they are selling their products, all their produce, you guys. So I'm also going to tag you along so that you can see what they normally produce, all what they have in store, you guys. Okay, so can you see, guys? Like, that's literally fire, and that fire is from the grass, you guys. Can you imagine that? Anyway guys, so I'm going to tag you along so that you can see what they have in their stores. As you can see, this is all what they have, from the flower vessels, the mugs, cups, wine glasses, and all that, you guys. Like, they have amazing things, you guys, and they have them in different colors. So he's also going to tell us like how they manage to get different colors, you know, because the glasses or the bottles are not like green or what. They just plain bottles, and then they just come up with those colors. I don't know, like, he's going to explain more better. They even have like black, you guys. They have black. Anyway, they have all the types of colors and everything. Like, you cannot miss what you want. They even have this amazing trays. Like, they have everything amazing. So you guys, I'm going to leave you to enjoy the music as you continue seeing what they have. And you guys, stay tuned because the interview is coming. Okay, yeah, so guys, continue watching.
I know the air I'm breathing, it's no good for my lungs. comes. I do this every season. I hate when summer comes. I fall into a trap that I made by myself. Oh, and I always do the wrong thing. I'm unstable and I'm unsteady. I've lost a million times already, and I'm so sorry, but I'm not able to slow down. I feel unable and so unworthy. My heart feels heavy. I've lost already, and I'm so sorry, but I'm not able to slow down.
So guys, after that amazing tour from the glass factory, I'm back home. I want to fix dinner, and here I'm going to show you the recipe, the simple recipe for breaded fish, you guys. So stay tuned. These are my ingredients. I have breadcrumbs, I have eggs, I have fish, I have seasoning, that's salt and pepper. You can also use your favorite seasoning, you guys. And I have flour, you guys, but flour is optional. You can do without flour as long as you have breadcrumbs. So guys, stay tuned, and I'm going to take you along how I'm going to make this fish. So guys, stay tuned, because this is a recipe you can try at the comfort of your home. And remember, I gave you a breadcrumb recipe, so you don't need to stress yourself that you don't have breadcrumbs. As long as you have bread in your house, you can make breadcrumbs by yourself. So you guys, that's what I'm going to do. So stay tuned, and yeah, let's continue watching. So guys, the first step you need to do is applying an egg to your fish. Then you pass it through flour. It's not compulsory. You can only use you can also use only breadcrumbs if you have. Then you're going to cover it with breadcrumbs, and then you guys, for me here, I'm going to shallow fry them, to pan fry them actually, but you can also like deep fry them. You can shallow fry them according to how you want it to be. Like for me, I'm going to pan fry them, then I'm going to put them on the oven. But for you, you can deep fry, you can shallow fry, and then it's done. It's not a must you put it in the oven. If you do deep frying, it's going to get ready so easily, you guys. But because some people doesn't like a lot of oil, that's why I'm going to do pan frying, then I put it in the oven. So guys, no limitation here for the method of cooking. It's your own choice, you guys. We have different method of cooking, and you can choose what works for you, and what doesn't work for you, just leave it for the next person.
Let's take it slow. Where you go, I go too. And if you hit the bottom, I'm going down with you. Let's take it slow. Who cares where we gotta be? You know you'll have a good time wherever you're with me. Let's take it slow. Ask me how we got here, 'cause you don't know how. You say we're taking on water, yeah, we're sinking now. You're looking all concerned, like we're gonna drown. But we both know how to swim, no worries as we'll fall now. Let's take it slow. Where you go, I go too. And if you hit the bottom, I'm going down with you. Let's take it slow. Who cares where we gotta be? You know you'll have a good time wherever you're with me. Let's take it slow. I drag you out your mind, and there are days I hate you, but baby, you're still mine. And now we have the best times, no matter what we do. And even when we don't, there's nobody I'd rather choose. Let's take it slow. Where you go, I go too. And if you hit the bottom, I'm going down with you. slow. Where you go, I go too. And if you hit the bottom, I'm going down with you. Let's take it slow.
So guys, at this point I'm going to place it in the oven for 5 or less minutes, and then the fish is going to be ready. So that's it for this video. I hope you have really enjoyed. Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe if you haven't, and don't hesitate to join my membership. Let me know in the comment section what do you think about this recipe. Until my next one, bye.